everybody, it's Nancy here. I just wanted to come and show you my latest journal. This one is for Kate Crafts, and I've used her Easter collection. It's just a simple little journal that was so much fun to make, and I thought I'd show it to you and tell you about it. I've got it tied with a piece of this cotton eyelet that just looks springy and Eastery, and I've used bits of that fabric throughout the journal. So I just wrap it around and tie it in a bow. There's the front cover and the back. This is using one of the collage sheets from the collection, and it's just so pretty. This would be a great one for Easter, and if you don't celebrate Easter, then just spring. There's lots of beautiful images and a lot of nice sentiments and words too. So I used a file folder for my cover. I folded it in so there's a pocket here. There are 4 papers in the collection. 2 of them are collage sheets. This is one of them, and this. And then 2 of them are journaling pages that have lines on them. So this one I printed onto tea-dyed paper. Here I've added a strip of the fabric in the spine. There's a pocket. I've used only the 4 pages from the kit. Actually, the 2 collage pages were the front cover and the inside cover, and then I've printed this a couple of times. Otherwise, I've got tea stain pages because all the embellishments are so pretty, and that's really all that's needed. So a lot of pockets and tags. Lots of, here's some of the words and the sentiments. Little bits of the pink fabric throughout. Here's another one of the line journaling pages, printed on white this time, and because I wanted to put something on it, I stenciled. Here's another pocket with some more goodies in it. There's lots of room to journal in this one. That's why I never put them back in. Another corner pocket with a tuck. Spring is here, a little bit of fabric. Lots of places to journal. Lots of cute things too that work really well for Easter. There's another tag with chicks. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes with a sweet bunny. Here's another page that's been stenciled. So these are the other line journaling pages. I think the graphics in this collection are just so pretty. More stenciling, another corner pocket with the tuck. Happy spring. Hop, hop, hop. This one's all about bunnies. Then there's that cute little lamb. Follow the bunny. He has chocolate. So we've got bunny crossing and did some bunnies say chocolate. And this page is all about the chicks. Chicks dig me. That guy's so cute. Postcards and journal cards and really sweet things. Happy Easter. More postcards. Another stenciled page. This is the other side of the journaling one. A little tuck. A little flip. I added a bow on him. Another pocket with a sweet egg. And then this is the back of this. This is the first time I tried printing on tea stain paper, and because of the wrinkles in it, it picked up some of the black ink, but I don't mind that. Here's the back cover. Another pocket. This is just a really sweet journal to document some fun spring or Easter happenings, and it's using the Easter collection from Kate Crafts. She has since also added a whole collection of the postcards and tags, so there's lots in the shop to take a look at. I'll have all the links below. Happy Easter, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.